Ever feel like your finances are a tangled mess? Bank statements pile up, receipts disappear, and you can't quite remember where that last paycheck went. Fear not, fellow financial fumbler. There's a whole world of budgeting apps out there promising to untangle the mess and make you a money management master. One of the most popular options is Mint. It boasts sleek interfaces, easy categorization, and a whole suite of tools to help you track spending, set goals, and stay on top of your bills. But here's the question that often pops up: does Mint actually connect to your bank account? And if it does, is that safe? Let's dive deep and unpack the connection between Mint and your bank accounts. The magic of aggregation, pulling in your financial data. Mint doesn't directly access your bank account like some kind of financial hacker. Instead, it uses a process called aggregation. Think of it like having a universal remote for your finances. Mint uses secure login credentials you provide to connect with your bank's online portal. This allows Mint to download your transaction history and account information, giving you a consolidated view of your finances across different banks and accounts. Here's the key: Mint never stores your actual bank login information. They use a secure method to connect, and the bank only sees a request for your data, not your password itself. This adds a layer of security, but it's still important to choose strong passwords for both your bank accounts and Mint. Safety first. Is Mint secure? Security is a major concern when it comes to handing over your financial data. Mint understands this, and they've implemented a number of security measures to protect your information. They use multi-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of verification when logging in. They also encrypt your data both in transit and at rest, making it a scrambled mess to anyone who shouldn't see it. But here's the reality: no system is foolproof. There's always a risk of data breaches, even with the strongest security measures. So, it's important to weigh the convenience of aggregation against your own comfort level with sharing your financial data. Alternatives to aggregation: keeping it offline. If the idea of connecting your accounts to Mint makes you nervous, there are alternatives. You can still use Mint to track your finances, but you'll need to manually enter your transaction data. This can be a bit tedious, but it gives you complete control over your information. There are also a number of budgeting apps that don't require aggregation. These apps often rely on a more traditional budgeting method where you set spending limits and track your progress manually. The choice is yours: convenience versus control. So, should you connect your bank accounts to Mint? Ultimately, the decision is yours. If you value convenience and ease of use, aggregation can be a powerful tool. But if security is your top priority, you might be more comfortable with a manual approach. Here are some things to consider before you decide. Your comfort level with sharing financial data. How confident are you in Mint's security measures? The number of accounts you have, juggling multiple bank statements can be a nightmare. Aggregation can simplify things. Your budgeting style. Do you prefer a hands-on approach, or are you okay with letting an app do the heavy lifting? Beyond aggregation, what else does Mint offer? Whether you choose to connect your accounts or not, Mint offers a variety of features that can help you manage your money. You can set budgets and track your progress towards your financial goals. See upcoming bills and avoid late fees. Get personalized insights into your spending habits. Receive alerts for low account balances or suspicious activity. The takeaway: take control of your finances. Mint can be a valuable tool for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. But remember, it's just a tool. The real power lies in your commitment to budgeting and making smart financial decisions. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you choose Mint or another budgeting method, take charge of your finances today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.